Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to fix iPhone XS Max. The screen is unresponsive. You cannot slide it, it doesn't work. And it's peeling from the top. The back is cracked too, but we will only fix this front screen. So let's start this. First thing we're gonna take these two bottom screws where near the charging port is. We have to take them out. Now we will take the screen out from the side. We're gonna lift it up. And make sure when you take the screen out, there are the cables holding the Face ID, so you don't want to cut this ribbon cable. Now we will take out these 3 screws here and the 4 screws on here, this bracket out, and we can disconnect the battery because the screen still is on. And disconnect the battery, and we can take our screen out. Now we will take out these 3 screws on the Face ID and take this out and transfer this Face ID onto new screen. And our Face ID is out now. Time to put everything onto new screen. Alright, our screen is ready, so we can install onto a board. This is for Face ID, and this is for LCD connection. So everything is ready. Now we can install our brackets. Alright, everything ready. Let's turn the phone on. Alright, let's put the screen. And it's done. Right, screen turned on, and let's see if it's going to slide. Alright guys, that's how you fix So everything came back on and the screen is like new again. We didn't fix the back but on the screen, so sliding now, it's working fine and responding. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys on another repair.